Hello guys, so today I'm going to share a story which led me to create this Python script which basically finds the LinkedIn profiles of people. So I have a good friend of mine working in the marketing field in a big company in the NCR, and he was stuck doing some, let's say, arduous clerical work. He had a long list of candidates, and the company that they currently are or have been working in, and he had to find all of their LinkedIn profiles and update their current company info, and he was very stressed. So I said, let me look at some sample data that you have and want to work with, and maybe I would be able to help you somehow. He laughed and shrugged me off, but I insisted, so he gave me some 175 names. So I thought I should create a Python script that will do this work for me. But then I knew nothing about how I would be able to achieve it. So I did some research, and by research I mean I asked ChatGPT. Since I also have a job, and so I don't really have that much of bandwidth to actually go to Google and visit these different forums and websites to find a solution to this. Anyway, I found out that LinkedIn actually provides an official API which allows you to access LinkedIn data programmatically. But you must first create a LinkedIn developer account. So, what actually happens with a LinkedIn developer account is that you need to register an app, which means creating an app and then deploying it. And then you have to obtain an API key, and then you have to follow their usage policies. Also, the API requires OpenAuth authentication and has several restrictions. Upon further research, I found out that even if I do all of this, I can only access data for the users who have explicitly authorized my app. Also, then I found out that LinkedIn API won't really meet the needs of my specific use case because my specific use case involves web scraping. Scraping LinkedIn directly, meaning some automated means of accessing their website's data, is against the LinkedIn terms of services. So I had actually hit a wall with this approach. Since nothing could be done this way, I searched for an alternate way of doing this. And one way was using Java Selenium. But that also falls under the category of automated means of accessing data. So what do we do after that? So then it suddenly dawned on me, why not just use Google? Google as in the search engine. When you type in a separate query, like a simple query, like when you open a browser and then start with the Google search engine and type in a query like LinkedIn plus candidate name plus the company name, it will provide you with the most relevant result for that specific query. Like for example, if I go here and then I open Google and then I type in LinkedIn, then I type in my name and then a company that I previously worked in, like Orion. So I will just enter, and this will actually give me the result that I'm looking for. So basically, it provides us with the URL. So I just use this approach to create this script. So using the libraries such as pandas for handling and working with the Excel file, and Google search for performing search on Google, I created this script which will perform the task. What I'm basically doing here is performing the search row by row and then combining them and storing with results in another Excel file, that is the output.xlss. Initially, I created this script which does this for the complete file. I was a bit naive and didn't know that even Google comes in with rate limitations. So the process stopped after like 47 rows, and I was getting status 429 client error. This was because we had exceeded one of the Google API's rate limitations. But then, after following a lot of trial and error approach, I found out that uh, this can be done for like 15 rows, and then you can stop for a minute or two, and then you can again run from the 16th row. So in that manner, you can actually get your work done completely fast, which is actually really fast. and uh, and then I just showed it to him, like all of the 175 names were done. So he actually verified it, and the accuracy was pretty low. To be honest, the accuracy was low, but almost what he had to do is just he have to verify all of that instead of just typing it at every query or doing it manually. This is actually a better approach, and it turned out that he had verified all of it and corrected the wrong ones. And then what he said to me at last made my day. He told me पहली बार कोई IT वाला बंदा मेरे काम आया. So I was pretty happy that day, but I would still recommend people to use Sales Navigator and or LinkedIn Recruiter for this purpose, because this is ethically the good thing to do. So you can ask your company to provide you either of these software, either of these things which will help you to perform the task that you want. This won't be in violation to any terms of services. But if you are still curious about the script, it is provided in the it is given in the GitHub repository in the captions below. Thank you.